Hey guys, it's Slim here with another easy CVS deal. Hall's cough drops are on sale 2 for $4. Go to coupons.com and print 2 of the $1.50 off one Hall's coupon. Then you're going to go to CVS and pick up 2 bags of the cough drops. Make sure they're priced at 2 for $4. Using those 2 coupons, it's going to deduct $3, leaving you to pay $1. But when you buy 2 of the Hall's cough drops, you get $1 extra back, making them completely free. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.